everybody, I'm Liz. I'm a curator here at the Goodhue County Historical Society, and I'm here to share a really cool thing that we have in our collection. So this is actually a washing machine. This washing machine was made by Lars Grondahl, an immigrant from Norway that lived here in Red Wing. So he invented this washing machine and patented it. This washing machine is actually a miniature of their larger version we have here. So how it works is you would lift up this piece here, and that would come out, and these little pieces here come out, and it comes down just like that. And in order to get your laundry in here, you lift up on the side here, and this comes up, and here are the plungers here that would come down and massage the laundry. This comes all the way up, and then here's the place where you would put your laundry, your water, your soap, everything in here. Load it up, put it back in, put it down, and then here on the other side, you would turn the wheel and the plungers would massage the clothes. Then again, you'd lift it up again, take out your laundry, and then probably wring it out and then hang it to dry. So when you're done, you put it back together, and you do that, put it all back. And it was designed to be very inconspicuous in the home. He particularly said that it was designed to look like an old refrigerator or an ice box. This was made in 1892, so this would probably have sat in your kitchen, which is where you would have done your laundry. And here, this particular model would have been either used as a demonstration to get the patent, or it would have been used by salespeople to try and sell the washing machine. So you can see here with our larger one, works exactly the same. It's down to the wheels and the plungers. You can see it still moves. And this part comes up as well, and the plungers will lift up and come out. It's exactly the same. So you can see both of these washing machines on display in our lobby here at the Goodhue County Historical Society for National Inventors Month during the month of May. So thanks for watching.